Welcome. In front of me I have OnePlus Watch 3, the 43mm edition, and I'm gonna show you how to add and remove the Google account on this watch. So if you want to add the Google account to your watch needs to be paired with a phone. And that's one thing you need to know. And to add it, you need to press the crown button to wake up the screen, then press it again to open the menu. Now we need to scroll through the menu, look for the settings icon, but first let me deal with the tutorial for some reason. Okay, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, look for the other option and select it. And here, look for the Google option and tap on it. And then tap on accounts. And right here, if you don't have any accounts on the list, because there will be a list of accounts if you had anything added, you don't have any account connected to your watch. And to do it, you need to tap on Add Google Account. And as you can see, it says that we need to continue on our phone. So I'm gonna grab the phone that is paired with my watch. Zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen of the phone. Like this. And now on the phone that is paired with our watch, if you tap on this, oh my bad, let me go back. So let's open the settings, other Google accounts, add account. And if you tap on this icon right here, it will bring you this prompt on your phone. And basically it allows you to copy a Google account from your phone to your watch. And you can tap on choose another account if you want to use different account. I want to use this one, so I'm gonna tap on continue, confirm that it's me, and it will start copying the account to our watch. Okay, it's done. So now when we go to the settings and Google, or rather other and then Google, let's see, Google accounts, the account will be right here on the list, and it means that the account was added to our watch. And if you want to remove the account from your watch, you simply open this list of accounts, press and hold, or rather press on the account you want to remove, my bad, and then tap on remove account, tap on the check mark to confirm, and the account will be removed. And that's how you add and how you remove the Google account from this watch, or on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.